This big Doberman Pinscher boy is Blue. He's a happy guy. Look at that little nub tail wagging. He does make a face that for him is a smile, but to humans it kind of looks like a snarl. So you just got to get used to the fact that that is his smile. He loves me talking to him right now. He does have some skin issues. He's a young guy, right about 1 year old, and he was surrendered due to his skin issues. I don't know if you can tell in this video or not, but he has some patches where he doesn't have a lot of fur. Hi, buddy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Likely Demodex, but I don't know that for sure at this point. We have not done a skin scrape. Blue is available for adoption or rescue. He'll need to go to someone. He figured out where my treat pocket was. He'll need to go to someone who can commit to taking care of his skin issues. He is a happy guy. He just needs a little help with his skin. That's a good boy, Blue. We're located at Irving Animal Services, which is next to the south entrance of the DFW airport. You can come meet Blue in person yourself from Tuesday through Saturday, and I know he'd love to meet you. Again, this guy is Blue.